Welcome to how to create a multiple driver load. First, you're going to click on New Active or New Pending Load. We're going to open this up. When you open the load, you're going to set up your load page first. You want to put in all the information as to where the load's being picked up, where it's being dropped off. We're going to select our customer as daily. Select a sales rep. We'll put in a work order number. We'll put our rate in. And we're also going to put where it says driver. We're going to select multiple drivers. You're going to notice that all your information here has now disappeared and you now have a new tab labeled as driver 1 and add. First, we want to enter in where our load is being picked up and being dropped off. So we're going to select Zehrs and we're going to select Winners as our shipper and our consignee. Then what you need to do is you need to select your drivers. You want to remember that when you select your driver, you have to select whichever driver you're using, your equipment type that you're using. We're going to select trucks, and we're going to select a trailer. Select our start location, which is going to be Zehrs is our shipper, which is in Boulder, Colorado. And then our consignee is going to be yard 2. What this means is that this driver is picking up the load at the shipper but dropping it off at the yard for our other driver to pick it up. Your consignee can be anywhere that your drivers meet. However, what you should do is add that area into the system so that you have it. Whether it be a ramp that you want to just put a location in or put a yard or anything along those lines. Once you add it into the system, it makes it a little bit easier to document things on your loads. So then what you want to do is make sure that your dates and times are set up properly. And now we're going to click add to add in our next driver. So again, we're going to select our new driver. We're going to select our equipment. We will select a truck and we will also select a trailer. We're going to say that their start location is going to be in British Columbia. Now we're going to put yard 2 in here because that's where he's meeting the driver to pick up the load. And he'll be taking that load from the 16th. And then we're going to put our location, which is Winners. As this driver is picking up the load at the yard and it's taking it to Winners, we're going to change our date. Put it to the 19th. Now you can go back and you can check everything in the system whenever you'd like. You can edit anything in the system as well whenever you'd like. Now we're going to click save. So now again you're going to notice that we've got 1046-2, which is showing you that there are 2 drivers on this load as opposed to 1. And when you open this load up, when you select on your driver and you click print, it is only going to give you a load sheet for where this driver is going. It will not print up the other information for your other driver as that driver is not doing it. It will do the same thing, print it up on a PDF, give you the details as to where he's picking up this load and where he's dropping it off. Same goes for driver 2. You can add up to, I believe, 3 drivers or carriers to a multiple carrier, multiple driver load. And again, each sheet will be different for each of them. They will all have their own information on here, no questions asked. You're going to save your load. That is how you create a multiple driver load.